Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a battery in a GMC Acadia. Before starting, gather your tools such as a wrench and battery terminal cleaner. Safety is paramount, so always wear safety glasses and gloves. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged to prevent any accidental movement. These initial steps ensure a safe and smooth battery replacement process. Now let's disconnect the old battery. First, locate your battery. It's typically under the hood, but some Acadia models might have it in the trunk. Using your wrench, disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive terminal. This order is crucial for safety. If the terminals are corroded or stuck, a battery terminal puller can make removal much easier. Take your time with this step. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. Before placing it, clean the battery tray and the new battery terminals thoroughly to ensure good contact. Carefully set the new battery into the tray, making sure it's secure and won't shift. Now, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. This is the reverse order of removal and is important for proper electrical connection. You're almost done. Double-check that all connections are tightened firmly to prevent any power interruptions. Then, start your engine to confirm the new battery is working correctly and your vehicle powers up as expected. If everything looks good, you've successfully replaced your battery. Also, for more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.